Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Civic bumper. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Next, safely lift the front of your Civic using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Then, remove the front wheels to gain clear access to the fender liner fasteners. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's tackle the fender liners. Carefully remove the plastic clips and screws holding each fender liner in place. You'll typically find about 5 to 7 clips and 2 to 3 screws per side. After that, move to the undercarriage. Remove the bolts, usually 2 to 4, that secure the bottom of the bumper to the vehicle's frame. Keep all fasteners organized. Next, open your hood. You'll find several plastic clips and screws, often 6 to 8, along the top edge of the bumper near the grille and headlights. Remove these carefully. If your Civic has fog lights or sensors, gently disconnect their electrical connectors. Finally, with the top and bottom fasteners loose, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle's sides to release it from its clips. With all clips and fasteners released, the bumper should now be free. Carefully pull it straight off the vehicle, ensuring no wires are still attached. Take a moment to inspect the bumper for any cracks or damage and check the mounting points on your Civic. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. Make sure all clips engage properly for a secure fit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.